I did too. What are you doing? Oh, are you? Well, guys, you're probably wondering what the hell just happened. Well, I'll probably play a sound clip now.
I'm like,
So yeah, that's not a good sign. I'm hoping and praying they're the lifters. So I got lifters. I got 8 of them for this side, and if the sound quiets down, hopefully, I was gonna pull coil backs before, like when I started it, pull the coil back to see which cylinder it was doing it on, but so I got pretty much all of them besides 3 bolts in the back, and then Donovan is going to be cutting right here and straight piping that, so the Mox gets, a little louder, right? Yeah. So hopefully this is done, because I have a package coming tomorrow, which I'll probably go pick up tomorrow. It's at the other house where my parents are, and it's a pretty big package. I thought I canceled it, but it shipped on the same day I canceled it, so like 2 hours apart. I canceled it, 2 hours later it shipped. So like, what the hell? So I'm gonna start taking this valve cover off, and Donovan's gonna start cleaning. Is there scratches there, guy? Yeah, that was from you. I didn't want to say anything.
I don't care though, I got the paint pen.
I hope you just don't yell at me. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. Alright, as you can see, it is night. Valve, is that a moth? What? Get out of here. The oil squirters are out. I swear to God, if you go in there, I will kill you. The rollers are off. This is completely hard. I can't even push that in, which is I think it's alright. But then there's some that are just completely, so they're all like that. It's either hard or completely soft. So that kind of seems like it's collapsed. I have a new one sitting in oil, so I'm gonna let those 8 sit overnight. I will come back in the morning and probably get some grinding wheels so I can cut that off, and then I will put the new ones in, and hopefully that noise goes away. And then if it does, I'm doing the other side, because that was concerning, seeing all those like that and nothing like that.
definitely some lifters.
Well guys, here we got the Zex Wet Nitrous Kit from American Muscle. I've already opened it because I got way too excited. And so here, I think there's 3 boxes in total. 1 box, 2 box, and 3rd box. Okay, well, the big box, obviously, there it is. A big old bottle of fun time.
Big old bottle.
This is what you call happiness in a bottle. That just looks intimidating as fuck. Alright, what's in this box? I don't know how to open boxes now. Alright, so we got a lot of lines. So we got instructions here. We don't need none of that, man. Nope, we'll just look it up on YouTube. That's why you're watching. So we got some braided line for, I would think, your fuel. And we got more for your, we have your fuel management system here. We got wire. We got the switch, and then a little not switch as well. We got more hardware for fittings. We got the jets in here for your fuel and nitrous. Got a hose, hardware. Okay. And it is booked. We got a long braided for the nitrous to this guy, the fuel management system. So we got that. I think that's 16 foot. And then we have the clamps that hold the bottle, which I don't want to touch. That thing is too beautiful. Look at the bottle. That's some horsepower in a bottle. I really do want to do a turbo though. Alright, so they have the nitrous fuel management 10-pound bottle. It's always unfilled. Clamp, blah blah blah, jets. And then I think it's like it's 75, 100, and 125 shot. So all those for like the .206 should be the 75, and then blah 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 goes on. And then you just have to put fittings on, blah blah blah, instructions, which I'm not gonna read. I'm smart. Oh, here we go. Here's a picture. You just do all that and you'll be good to go. But I think I can install this tomorrow because it's pretty late right now, and I'm a little tired after fixing the Mustang. But for right now, I'm just gonna look at the bottle. I don't know where I was looking. Was I looking at me? Okay. For now, I'm just gonna look at the bottle until I fall asleep and just pass out with it cuddled in my hands. So that's for today. So stay tuned. Leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.